Hi guys, welcome back. So this is a Dollar Tree wire pumpkin wreath frame, and I'm sure most of you have seen people doing projects with this frame. So come on in and let me show you what I did with it to add to my fall decor this year. Also, I'm going to be using a piece of cardboard with some Mod Podge and some burlap that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to iron it out and use it along with jute rope. I started to use the smaller one, but I'm using the large one. And some fine glitter and white spray paint. And also the spray adhesive, along with my box cutter, a pair of scissors, and my floral picks to decorate it, as well as my glue gun. Now, after I spray painted my frame, I traced it onto the cardboard, and then I'm going to cut it out. And next I'm going to take the burlap and cut it out to the size of the cardboard piece. And using the spray adhesive, I'm going to attach the burlap to the cardboard. Now at this point, you'll see I'm using the Mod Podge, but I realized that the spray adhesive is better to use instead of using the Mod Podge. So I'm just going to use the spray adhesive here, and then I'm going to put the fine glitter on, and then after I finish applying the glitter, I'm going to use the Mod Podge to seal in the glitter. My next step is to add on the rope, and I use my hot glue gun to secure the ends. Now, this doesn't have to be done this way. Depends on the person. For me, it was easier for me to cut it and then hot glue it. Some people may want to just take it and go all the way through without cutting, but for me, it was easier to do that. Now, once I've finished doing all of it, I'm just going to flip it and make sure that all of my pieces are glued down on the back. As far as the stem of the pumpkin, I did not completely wrap it all the way through like some people may do it. I wanted to leave part of it open so I could get a wreath hanger through to hang it. Now, this is what it looks like. I'm just sizing it up with the cardboard to make sure that it fits and that everything is lined up correctly. And then the next step, I'm going to add in my floral pieces, and I'm just going to hot glue it all down using a piece of foam floral form to stick them all in. And then the last step would be to hot glue the frame down to the cardboard. And this is just a leaf that I found in my stash of my floral picks, and I wanted to add it on. So here's the final look of it. I've completed it, and I'm happy with the way it came out. After I hung it in my foyer with the rest of my fall decorations, I added in a string of fairy lights. It was very easy to do, and I thought that completed the look. So like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, so you can get notifications on all of my videos. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.